scorpion candy. Is it really on?
Yes, it's on.
It's recording.
It's recording. It's recording your damn.
You know, scorpions don't smell that bad.
I wouldn't do it.
Why?
I don't know. I don't want to eat a damn bug.
Scorpion?
Maybe.
So bad about eating a damn bug.
I don't like the fact of eating a bug.
Look at it. It looks all nice.
It looks all delicious. I would eat it if there was no scorpion.
Huh? I know what.
It's like all sticky.
This is a weird feeling, like you have a scorpion in your mouth type of feeling. I think there's even taste like scorpion.
I want to see when you eat into the scorpion.
And record and do another video.
What the fuck are you doing?
This thing is like that. Gotta do it right.
It's a sucker. Wow.
Ow. Now I'm gonna have to wash my cheek. Yeah.
Fucking crazy.
And now I'm gonna be sick.
Why? I'm not even gonna comment on that.
Thank you.
Freaking licking that lollipop. Fucking ice cream. You're fucking like caressing it or something like that with your damn tongue.
I feel gay. I'm not doing that. How much minutes is it on? Because this is gonna take a while.
2 minutes.
We do another video, okay?
Okay.
End it.
Why? No, stop it.
You end it? Okay. Yeah.
Look at that damn scorpion. Can't even see it.
Yeah, the scorpion. Yeah. You see that? Scorpion's in there.
Yeah, scorpion.
Whatever. So.
Here goes nothing.
Doesn't look that bad.
Here goes nothing.
I mean, here goes nothing. I don't get.
Especially with your damn tooth problem.
I want to feel it.
How's the scorpion?
It's not good.
Let me guess, it tastes like chicken.
Tastes like shit.
Wow. Oh shit. Oh shit!
You cracked it. Turn it around, motherfucker.
I got the tail.
Eat the tail.
I got the
Eat
tail. Oh, wait.
Eat the tail. Oh my god.
We need to taste the damn thing first.
Oh god. Fuck up. It's coffee?
I haven't even eaten mine yet.
Oh my.
Fuck, I'm scared.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah.
Why can't you see a scorpion here?
I don't taste shit.
Yeah, cause.
Oh, I taste plastic.
Yeah?
No.
Are you here scorpion?
Oh, crap. It tastes like plastic.
Do you see a scorpion?
No.
Uh-huh.
Don't even taste the scorpion in my eyes. It tastes like damn plastic.
I got shit off. Oh god. I can taste it.
It tastes like damn